Today, let's take a look at the next key to make a picture into a page turning effect video. First, open VideoAE and click Make Video to enter the production page. First, set the resolution size. For example, I want to import a landscape image. So I choose the ratio of 16:9 and enter the appropriate value. Note that directly select the transition layer button here. Enter the album and select all the pictures we want to make in order. You can select up to 100 pictures here. Click Choose Resource to enter the production page. You can see that the default duration of each picture is 4 seconds. Here I modified and set each photo to 3 seconds. Then click the Transition button, select the transition, and find the Page Turning Effect. Click to use. Go back to the previous step and reset the duration of the next transition. I set it to 1 second and apply the transition effect and duration to all of them. Of course, if you don't mind the trouble, you can set different transition effects one by one. Preview to see the page turning effect.